Hi everyone, today we are gonna learn how to play a really easy acoustic blues. The song is Goin Down South by R.L. Burnside. This is modern Delta blues classic. If you have never played the blues before, this song is a perfect place to start. And let's have a listen first. R.L. Burnside. He was playing and performing in Mississippi region for decades, but found a big success only in the early 90s, after being discovered by Fat Possum music label. They made some cool records with him. He is even playing with the punk rock band on the one of them. So if you're interested in stuff like that, check out the Fat Possum recordings. And now let's learn how to play the main riff from Goin Down South. Most Delta blues songs use alternate tuning, but this one is played in standard tuning, which is always nice. I'll show you how to play it, and also I will explain what's going on in terms of music theory here. And okay, let's get into it. This riff is played in the key of E. First, let's see what is going on with our right hand. You can see tab on your screen. And we play the D string, high E string, low E string, then we play D, high E. And then we play our open low E string again. So this is the main riff. And you play it 3 times, and at the end you play 2 times without this note. When playing with your thumb, try to do it like this, slightly away from the guitar. Don't just push the strings down or into guitar or something like this, and your sound will be. And you always accent the notes on the D string, like this, like that. We also use a microband on the G note. And try to do it slowly. Otherwise, it just won't sound right. Sometimes you can also hit the B string with your index finger. It's not something you should plan, it should come naturally. It just can happen sometimes. And by the way, if you are enjoying this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment what other topics you want us to cover. As you remember, I promised to talk about music theory a bit. So, what's going on here? Actually, these are the notes from the E minor chord. G is a minor third, and if you are playing the B string too, it's just the part of E5 chord. So if you play the second box of the E minor pentatonic, you will see that both of these notes are included here. Alright, and now I'm going to show you how to play the second riff. Okay, we play this 2 more times. And then go into the second riff. It goes like this. You should play these 2 notes with your index finger of your left hand, just roll it into the D strings. And about this, you just throw your hand on the muted strings. So what you get, this click. Just relax your left hand on your strings and do like this. And don't hit the strings too hard, it's not needed here. And then you go back to the first riff. And this is it. Really easy song, but really fun to play. If you want 5 really helpful lessons which are not available on YouTube, check the description down below. If you want to learn more acoustic blues, be sure to check these 2 videos that you can see on your screen. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in other videos. Bye bye.